As a homeowner in Mandeville, you may have experienced the occasional discomfort of hearing traffic noise, neighborhood sounds, or the hustle and bustle of daily life seep through your windows. Whether it's a busy street or nearby construction, unwanted noise can significantly affect your home's comfort and tranquility. Fortunately, window replacement can be an effective solution for improving your home's soundproofing and reducing noise pollution. In this article, we'll explore how window replacement in Mandeville can help with noise reduction and provide a quieter, more peaceful living environment. If you're tired of hearing everything from car engines to street chatter, it may be time to consider upgrading your windows. Understanding how noise enters your home. To understand how window replacement can help reduce noise, it's important to know how sound travels. Sound waves can pass through thin or single-pane windows, carrying external noises such as traffic sounds, cars, trucks, motorcycles, pedestrians walking by, talking, or laughing, construction or lawn care noises, animals or other natural sounds from the environment. Older, single-pane windows or windows with poor insulation can allow these sounds to pass freely into your home. As a result, the comfort and peace of your home are compromised. Modern windows, on the other hand, are designed to block out much of this unwanted sound, creating a quieter indoor environment. The role of window replacement in soundproofing. Window replacement in Mandeville can significantly improve the soundproofing of your home. The key to reducing noise is to improve the insulation and sealing properties of your windows. Here's how modern windows help. Double and triple glazing. Traditional single-pane windows are not effective at blocking out sound. In contrast, double-glazed windows have two panes of glass with an insulating layer of air or gas, such as argon or krypton, between them. This air gap helps dampen sound waves, reducing the amount of noise that passes through. Triple-glazed windows, which feature 3 panes of glass, offer even better soundproofing by providing an additional barrier to sound. Laminated glass. Another great option for noise reduction is laminated glass, which consists of 2 layers of glass with a layer of plastic in between. This construction not only improves the window's energy efficiency but also makes it much more effective at absorbing and blocking noise. Laminated glass windows are especially helpful for blocking low-frequency sounds such as traffic or nearby construction. Thicker glass. Upgrading to thicker glass can also improve sound insulation. Thicker glass is more effective at reducing noise than standard, thinner glass, as it vibrates less and transmits less sound. By replacing your old windows with thicker, high-quality glass, you can further enhance your home's ability to block out unwanted noise. The benefits of noise reduction from window replacement. Replacing your old windows with modern, soundproofing options can provide several important benefits for your home and well-being. Improved comfort. The most immediate benefit of reducing external noise is the increased comfort inside your home. Imagine being able to relax in your living room or bedroom without hearing the constant hum of traffic or the clatter of outdoor activities. With noise-reducing windows, your home will feel more serene and peaceful, allowing you to enjoy your living space more fully. Better sleep quality. Noise pollution can interfere with your sleep quality and overall rest. Traffic, sirens, and street noise can prevent you from getting the deep, uninterrupted sleep you need to feel refreshed. By replacing your windows, you can create a quieter, more restful environment conducive to better sleep, improving your overall health and well-being. Increased privacy. Along with reducing external noise, modern windows can also offer an added layer of privacy. By installing windows that block sound from both inside and outside, you not only reduce unwanted noise but also prevent people from overhearing conversations inside your home. Whether you're in a busy neighborhood or near a high traffic area, you can enjoy better privacy and less disturbance. Energy efficiency. Many noise-reducing windows also come with energy-efficient features. Double-glazed and triple-glazed windows help insulate your home, preventing heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer. This results in lower energy bills and a more comfortable indoor environment, as your HVAC system won't have to work as hard to maintain a consistent temperature. Choosing the right window for noise reduction. When considering window replacement in Mandeville, it's important to select windows that are specifically designed for noise reduction. Here are a few tips for choosing the right option for your home. Opt for double or triple glazing. These windows are generally the most effective at reducing noise. Consider laminated glass. For superior soundproofing, laminated glass is an excellent option, especially in high traffic areas. Look for windows with good seals. Ensure that your windows are properly sealed and insulated to prevent sound from leaking in through gaps or cracks. It's also worth consulting with a professional window replacement company in Mandeville to discuss your specific needs and find the best solution for your home. Cost of window replacement for noise reduction. While window replacement can be an investment, the long-term benefits often outweigh the costs. Not only will you enjoy a quieter, more comfortable home, but you'll also see savings on your energy bills due to better insulation. Additionally, improving your home's soundproofing can increase its value, especially if you live in a noisy neighborhood or near busy streets. Many homeowners find that the return on investment from window replacement in Mandeville, particularly for noise reduction, is well worth the expense. Conclusion. Replacing your windows in Mandeville with modern, noise-reducing options can significantly enhance your home's comfort and livability. Whether you're looking to block out traffic noise, enjoy better sleep, or increase your home's privacy, new windows designed for soundproofing can help you achieve these goals. By choosing the right windows, you can create a quieter, more peaceful living space while improving your home's overall energy efficiency and value. If you're tired of being disturbed by outside noise, consider window replacement as an effective solution to restore comfort and tranquility to your home.